top plane, sketch, corner rectangle from origin, draw, OK, click smart dimension, mm, vertical distance 50 mm, OK, exit sketch, extruded boss base 50 mm, OK. Select this face, sketch, select line, draw here like this. Smart dimension, 10 mm, 10 mm, 10 mm, 10 mm. This is also cancel, already 10 mm. Now this vertical 10 mm, 10 mm, 10 mm, 10 mm. This is already 10 mm. Cancel. Now click this line and close this from this point to this corner to this corner. OK. Now exit sketch, select Extruded Cut. We need to cut this portion, not this one. So we are going to click this option, flip side to cut. Now this portion going to be removed. Click OK. Make sure there is 50 mm. Select chamfer. Here select all the model, click distance. Here in distance 1, 0.1, and in this distance 2, 0.1 again. OK. Now this is our step block.